Hello and welcome to the 5th edition of the How To series. I'm Carl Bloomfield, a specialist recruiter connecting top talent to transformative cell and gene therapy companies in the US. Today, we're going to be diving in on how to make a positive impact in your first 90 days on the job. So make sure to watch to the end because there's some great tips and tricks I want to share with you in this video. Before we start, I thought it'd be great to give you a little stat on something I've done a bit of research on prior to this video. According to the study of the Society of Human Resource Management, employees who make a positive impact in their first 90 days are actually more likely to be successful in their roles and have higher job satisfaction. So guys, first things first I want to cover is setting clear goals, and expectation I think is key essentially for this. You need to understand your role, you need to understand your responsibilities and perform expectations right from the start. By aligning your efforts and setting clear goals, you establish a solid foundation for your work. So don't hesitate to communicate with your manager or your team to clarify any uncertainties. Remember, clarity is the name of the game when it comes to productivity and success. So now, let's talk about learning and observing. In those early days, it's crucial to be a proactive learner. So make sure to engage in active listening, ask questions, and really seek feedback from colleagues and supervisors to help you excel to the next level. Trust me, the more you actively seek knowledge and understanding, the better equipped you'll be to navigate, the workplace effectively. Another thing that's really key, in my opinion, is building strong relationships. It's another vital aspect of making a positive impact in your first 90 days. So actively participating in teams meetings, seeking mentorship from experienced colleagues, and really engage in that social activity aspect of the company culture as well. By building trust and collaborating with your team, you create a positive work environment that really enhances a successful team. I also think taking initiative and demonstrating a proactive attitude is really crucial. So make sure to show enthusiasm, motivation and commitment to, really making a difference in your workplace. Volunteering for projects, suggesting improvements, and taking on additional responsibilities are an excellent way to showcase your value to the team and what you have to offer. So being proactive not only contributes meaningfully, but also leaves a long-lasting impression that sets you up for long-term success within a company. Another point I think is worth sharing with you guys is that adaptability and embracing feedback are essential because, be open to feedback and view it as a value tool for, growth and improvement, because you can only learn from your mistakes. So I think it's really important to learn from those moving forward. Another fact for you guys is a study conducted by the Leadership IQ found that 46% of new hires fail within the first 18 months due to an inability to accept feedback or learn from their mistakes. So guys, to wrap this all up for you, making a positive impact on your first 90 days on the job requires setting clear goals, actively learning and observing, building relationships, taking initiative and embracing feedback. By focusing on these aspects, you establish a strong foundation, building meaningful connections, contribute proactively and continuously growing in your position and your future aspirations and goals. So guys, remember, the first 90 days set the stage for your professional reputation and long-term success. So make sure to apply all these tips and tricks I've helped you with today, and I'm sure you'll make an impactful first 90 days in your workplace. So we hope these insights prove helpful to you today. Remember, we are here to support you throughout your job search journey. So please feel free to reach out to us for assistance. Thank you for watching and wishing you the best of luck in your job hunt. Thank you.